Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this ultra simple and yet tasty chicken dish rather. Time to season these babies up. Yum yum yum. So I'm going to start off with some onion powder. And once I'm done seasoning up the drumsticks, I'm going to let them sit in the seasonings for ideally at least 30 minutes just to give it that opportunity just to absorb all of that flavor, as opposed to just throwing it into the oven right away, because this is baked chicken, so we're not going to be cooking it on the stove. So I'm taking some onion powder and I'm just going to sprinkle some onion powder all over the chicken drumsticks like this. Yum. And then I'm going to add in some creole seasoning. To me, it's the holy grail right here. Just everything tastes good. Just gonna sprinkle in half a teaspoon of that as well. And it's simple and light on salt, not too much. Okay, that's it for that one. And then a little bit of garlic powder, please. So half a teaspoon of garlic powder is now going into the mix. Throwing all of that in, sprinkling it. Yum yum yum. Gonna throw in some sriracha. Just gonna add in a tablespoon worth of this one. Tablespoon worth of sriracha. Okay, and then now I'm going to add in a quarter teaspoon of regular iodized salt. Not a whole lot. Okay. And then that's it. Once we are ready to put these drumsticks in the oven, we're going to just drizzle a little bit of olive oil over it. And that's it. Honestly, this is a very quick and easy recipe. Tablespoon of corn oil used for all 10 pieces of these drumsticks right here. So now we're going to pop these in the oven and bake them at 350 150 degrees, about 20-30 minutes or so.